Girl 338. I'm making another dish. I'm doing lasagna, and I'll show you my ingredients. This is ricotta. In English, ricotta. In Italian, ricotta. Palio, fresh parsley, 2 yolks only, a little salt, a little pepper, some pecorino romano cheese, and I got some sauce cooking in the pot. I'll take it over here. In my pot, I'm heating up some sauce that I made the other night. And then here I am defrosting my mozzarella. It's almost dry. Okay, good. So I got some mozzarella, and what I do is I shred it, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I just soak it in hot water, and I have mozzarella whenever I need it. Okay? So, since I only have one hand taking a picture, I'm going to have to do this a little bit at a time. And I have a pan here that I coated with some oil. And I'm going to be using the oven-ready lasagna. I think I tried this once before. They were pretty good, so I'm going to do it again. And all you have to do is lay the sheets down. And then as I make it, I'll show you. So right here, what I did was I have the ricotta in here. And I'm going to mix the 2 egg yolks. And I got to open the cheese, but I only have one hand to do it, so I have to put you down. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm going to add some cheese, Italian tablespoon. This is an Italian tablespoon, okay? 2, 3 things of cheese. Maybe 1 for good luck. Some people don't put any salt, but you have to because it doesn't taste, the lasagna is not going to have any flavor to it. The ricotta is not going to have any flavor to it. And just a little bit of pepper. Okay, and all you do is mix it around. But I got to put the mozzarella in it. Now, the big key with this is don't mix it too much. If you mix it too much, it's going to get very watery. So I'm putting some mozzarella in. I'll save some mozzarella for when I make the pot. When I make the dish. So I'm going to just mix this. And I really can't mix it with one hand holding the... I just want to incorporate all the cheese and the egg, okay? Like I said, not too much because what happens is it turns runny. It gets very, very smooth and runny, and you don't want that. All right, I'll show you the next step in a couple of seconds. What I'm doing is I'm making my layers, and I'm laying the sheet down. Putting some sauce on it. Now, I normally would put sausage on this, crumbled sausage, but I used it in another dish, and I have only frozen sausage, so I can't use it for this dish. And then I'm going to put more ricotta. Now don't put too much ricotta because what happens is when it gets warm, when it's in the oven and it's warm, it spreads out. And then you'll have like just a dish smothered in ricotta, which is not a bad thing. And sprinkle some more my mozzarella. wash my hand. So the final, I'm taking you on a tour because I don't have my tripod. The final product is going to be, if I could find it, cinnamon. Okay, just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. That's good. Cinnamon makes the ricotta taste delicious. So this is my mother's recipe. My mother used to do it this way. And I remember because I used to help her. So I'm going to do some stuffed shells. I have a little bit of stuffed shells. So I may just do another tray because this tray you can freeze. You have to cook it first. Cook it first and then, cover it, let it cool, and then you freeze it. Okay? And I'll show you the stuffed shells. The lasagna took about, I don't know, maybe 25 to maybe 30 minutes. I just tasted it. It is delicious. I will post the recipe below. And I like these noodles. Ouch, it's hot. I like these noodles. It's much better than, soaking them in the water and then taking them out. That's too much work. So try this recipe. It's really good. I used my Scalfani tomatoes. This was the tomato sauce. I used my Scalfani tomatoes. They are, when I'm saying delicious, it's delicious. You have to try this recipe. You try to see if you can get the mozzarella and the cheese, good quality cheese, good quality mozzarella. And, it's all in the ingredients. It's all with the sauce, with the cheese, with the mozzarella. That's what makes this dish. So if you have any questions, please post them below. If you have any comments, please post them below. Please subscribe to my channel because I always have other videos coming in. Everybody, enjoy your day. And I did this on Thanksgiving, because I did a lot of cooking today. So everybody have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.